Gagamitin pa
So
ba?
I tasted it. It's so good.
Ubus na yung ano. Oh.
Why, thank you.
Ayan. I-open it.
And get the blueberry. Have the strawberries.
Wow. Nice.
How is this, Daddy?
Well done, baby.
Thanks.
Matthew. Strawberries.
Yeah.
Oh, come on. Someone cut the like the stand.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
One more?
Yep. That's it.
Oh, I know a perfect way to present
Thank you.
it. Okay, let's try.
I tried to throw it nice.
Sit down. Sarap. Ha?
Kuya,
It's moist.
your raspberries water went to my cake, and I hate the raspberries.
Oh, really?
It's moist.
Oh,
Yep.
Maggie.
But I think you should have put more icing.
Yep, I agree.
I
I agree with that so much.
I think with a lot more icing,
It would be more better.
it will be